Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Weber Apron. Oh, the food will speak for itself, but why not look? The part 2. Embrace our inner barbecue master and feel like a professional with a Weber Apron. The deep pockets will hang on to our essential barbecuing tools, and the neck adjusts for a custom fit. We have here 100% cotton. It is machine washable, and it comes in a black apron with red cattle embroidery. So you have a good look and a good barbecue session. You will have a good meal, and you will have a good and nice looking apron with this to make a good barbecue chef. Weber Incorporated is an American manufacturer of charcoal, gas, and electric outdoor grills with related accessories. Yeah, it also owns restaurants and published cookbooks. The company was family-owned until it sold a majority stake to BDT Capital Partners in 2010. In 2021, it became a public trade company until it was taken private by BDT Capital Partners, which purchased all remaining outstanding stocks in 2023. Weber Stephen was originally incorporated on May 8th, 1893, as Weber Brothers Metal Works. In 1951, the original round charcoal cattle grill was built by George Stevens Sr., a then part owner of the sheet metal shop in Chicago, who thought to improve on the brazier he had been using to cook with at home. The grill was produced using two sheet metal R-spheres normally used as parts of buyers built in his shop. Shortly thereafter, he began selling the invention, which he called George's barbecue cattle, for which there was considerable demand. One of the early nicknames of the grill was Sputnik, because the grill became so successful after he began selling it in 1952. Stephen formed the barbecue division of the Weber Brothers factory. In the latest 1950s, Stephen bought out the Weber Brothers factory and became the sole owner, devoting all this professional time to manufacturing and selling the Weber cattle. Soon thereafter, Stephen changed the company's name to Weber Stephen Product Incorporated. The Weber Stephen Company manufactures and sells outdoor electric grills, charcoal grills, gas grills, and charcoal smokers. And you can wear this Weber Apron on all of these devices as you like. It's really cool and stylish apron here, and it makes you a true professional chef for all visitors and barbecue lovers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.